Hello, welcome to the SoftwareTrailers.com video channel. Today, we will be presenting BigCommerce, and we will talk about bricks to clicks with BigCommerce. BigCommerce is an e-commerce platform that provides software as a service to retailers. The company's platform includes online store creation, search engine optimization, hosting, marketing, and security for small and medium-sized businesses. In these current times, everyone is practicing social distancing and staying safe. Businesses are having to close their doors, and our economy is struggling. Even though it is a scary situation, companies are not alone. BigCommerce is here to help brick-and-mortar businesses make quick moves towards setting up an online storefront. This guidance is a great way to keep our economy strong and might be just what your offline business needs. This idea might seem overwhelming. However, BigCommerce not only makes the transition easy, but helps get it done in record time. With the process broken down into 3 major pieces, you can create a framework that becomes easy to follow and transform your existing physical store into an online shop as uncomplicated as possible. In order to get a clearer idea of what the process looks like, here is an example of a great framework to follow. First, laying the groundwork with pre-launch preparation. You can determine your primary customers, choose your domain name, select your initial product launch, research the competition, and specify payment methods and shipping costs. Second, optimizing your store. You'll be able to set storefront design, make product descriptions, and target SEO content. Third, marketing your store. You can check your website performance, set the outbound marketing strategy, and apply keywords to your site. Plus, BigCommerce provides all the details for the components listed above and more in their handy retail to the e-tail article. In summary, you will get all the support you need from going from offline to online with BigCommerce. If you like what you are hearing about BigCommerce, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. If you like this video, check our playlist specific to industry-leading software. We are sure you will find what you were looking for. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel if this content was helpful. Thanks for watching.